In today's video, we're diving into a full review of Eleventy, a powerful static site generator that has been gaining traction in the web development community. Eleventy is designed for those who want more control over their website's structure and output without the complexity of heavier frameworks. Eleventy's flexibility and speed make it a great option for developers looking to create fast, minimalistic sites that don't require a database or server-side rendering. Eleventy is easy to set up. You start by installing it by npm, and once that's done, you can begin building your site using a variety of templating languages. Whether you prefer Markdown, HTML, or Liquid, Eleventy supports them all. It's highly customizable, so you can structure your website the way you like, without getting tied down by predefined layouts or rules. Eleventy is designed for speed, both in terms of performance and build time, and it delivers on this promise. Sites built with Eleventy are fast to load, which is crucial for both user experience and SEO. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Do take a look after watching the video for extra tools and references. When you dive into Eleventy's documentation, you'll quickly see that it's incredibly well organized. Whether you're building your first static website or you're a seasoned developer, the documentation is clear and helpful. Eleventy also has a growing community, which means that if you run into trouble, there's a wealth of tutorials, guides, and forums to help you out. Another feature worth mentioning is Eleventy's plugin ecosystem. While it doesn't come with as many out-of-the-box plugins as some other generators, the ones that are available are high quality and easy to integrate into your project. Eleventy is also highly extendable, so you can write custom plugins to meet your specific needs if necessary. Overall, Eleventy is an incredibly solid choice for anyone interested in static site generation. It's fast, flexible, and customizable, with a thriving community of users and contributors. If you're comfortable with coding and want more control over your site without the overhead of a traditional CMS, Eleventy could be the perfect tool for you. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more reviews like this. Also, make sure to hit the thumbs up if you found this review helpful.